Hi everybody, and welcome back to the hardreset.info channel. Today I do have Samsung Smart Monitor, and I'm going to tell you how to change the pitch of your voice guide in this monitor. At first we need to go to this control panel here at the left here, and now we have to scroll to settings. Here we have to click it and go to all settings. Now we have to scroll till we see the general and privacy. Here click accessibility, and now here you have voice guide settings. Turn on the voice guide at first, and here this third option is pitch. If we click that, we can change the pitch of our voice guide. Let me unmute my monitor so that you can hear everything.
1 high. 4 pitch high. Adjust the pitch of voice guide. Pitch 3 items 1, 2, 3, 4. Pitch low. Adjust the pitch of voice guide. Mute.
I don't know if you could hear that, but the pitch was really changed. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!